YouTube, it's Satch. Welcome to Driver 81. I'm here on the Ruf stand at the 88th International Motor Show in Geneva, Switzerland. And this is the latest vehicle, the SCR. You may be interested to know that this obviously looks like a Porsche 911 964. I can tell you though that it is actually not a Porsche 911. None of these parts are from a Porsche. These are all individually produced by Ruf. And yes, it does look like a 964, however none of these panels will actually fit onto a 964. They are all made in-house and completely bespoke for this particular vehicle. All of the body panels are carbon fibre. It has a carbon fibre monocoque chassis. And it's been fitted with ultra high-tech push-rod suspension. The tyres are track-focused Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2s. It has a flat 6 4-litre engine which kicks out 503 brake horsepower, and I think this car will be an absolute beast on the track. It weighs just 1,250 kilograms.
Ouais. Ah mais clairement hein. Ouais. Parce que le problème de celle-ci, c'est une nouveauté. Non.
Alors celle-là, on n'est pas dans une série limitée. On est...
La CTR, elle est plus.
La CTR limitée à 30 exemplaires.
C'est ça.
Wow! This is brilliant. Love this Alcantara fit, sort of suede interior feel, which is absolutely leathered with. 6-speed manual. Looks every bit the 964 inside, of course, that's what the car is actually based on. Footrest, accelerator, brake, clutch. I could just start this and drive off myself. Love these bucket seats. The old style interiors and the soft cushions. 2 seats, of course. Oh yes. So I spoke to a Ruf representative earlier. He said this car will cost 650,000 euros. It's not going to be a limited edition. They are going to produce them so long as there is interest, and as well as so long as they can fill the demand. But they plan to make about 15 to 20 per year until the demand drops. So it's quite a figure, 650,000 euros. Considering it's not actually a Porsche 911. But if you were rich enough, wouldn't you?